We were contacted by the architect first, which was Holmes Miller. They were working on the project. The whole stand comes in every year, and it was a question of getting the building warrants, and as part of that they wanted to include a changing places, and we'd worked with the architect previously, so they put us in touch with the event organisers, and between us we came up with a design and where to put the unit, although it's changed places a couple of times throughout the process, but here we are today.
Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely vital, and I think, having just come out of a pandemic, when families were asked about things that they wanted to do, they are desperate to get out to the fresh air, to be able to go out and meet up with friends and family. So having a facility like this means that they can attend, an internationally renowned festival that they maybe haven't been able to go to before. It's not just about the UK, it's internationally. We can draw people, we can say this is a place to come because we can accommodate your needs. So it is important. And the other thing to add is it's not just for the people themselves that need the changing place toilet, but what we find is if one person can't go because there's no changing place toilet, then the whole family doesn't get out. So, it means that the whole family can go and enjoy a fantastic multi-sensory event like the tattoo. So vitally important.
Changing places is really important to me, as I require a bus to get to the toilet. I can't use a standard disabled toilet, so changing places meets my needs.
I remember when the first facility went in, which wasn't that long ago, and I remember families saying, we used to be able to pop into Edinburgh for an hour, but now we can go in for an entire day, and stay into the evening. So yeah, it was pretty awful that actually our capital city of Scotland was so inaccessible. So I think it has made an enormous difference, and it means that people often pack up and go for a whole day. It means that the people that need this facility can do what everybody else does.
Well, it's a major benefit to the whole festival because people that can come here now will be able to include those who've got complex and multiple disabilities that require this kind of facility to be able to use the toilet, and to give them the courage and confidence to come, knowing that there is a place where they can have their needs attended to. So for the tattoo itself, that means it's increased its accessibility and inclusiveness. And of course for Edinburgh itself, it's a great event they have here, and to be able to say that it's now got a changing places in is a big thing for them.